Welcome to Kitchen Basics with dinnertimesomewhere.com. Today we're showing you how to tie a whole chicken. Take your whole chicken and lay it on a clean cutting board. If you're stuffing your chicken or adding a rub, make sure you do that before the next step. Cut a long length of butcher's twine. Cut more than you think you'll need. It's easier to trim at the end than start over. Take each of the wings and tuck them under the chicken. For a simple tie, you can do this and then move straight to tying the legs together. But for a more traditional truss, find the middle of the twine. Place it under the chicken and pull it up through the bend in the wings. Wrap it around the top of the wing and pull the twine to keep in place. Pull the twine down the side of the chicken to come up under and through the legs. Cross the twine over and wrap around each of the legs. Make sure it's secure and tie a double knot to keep everything in its place. Trim off any excess twine, and there you have it, a perfectly tied chicken. Please like, follow, or subscribe to our newsletter at dinnertimesomewhere.com.